For this series in Spacecraft Guide, we are going to focus on the Space Shuttle. We're going to concentrate on the flight instruments to teach you how the astronauts flew the Space Shuttle in flight and in orbit. In this episode of Spacecraft Guide, we are going to start focusing now on the primary flight display and the instruments inside of it. And specifically, we are going to focus on this part of the ADI, which is the attitude ball. When you click on this area right around here, it takes you to the actual attitude ball. Now, I to scrape one of these, find one with all of the markings. This is just to show you exactly what is on the ball. It looks like what you would see in an airplane, but there are some subtle differences that can really throw you off, because it threw me off the first time I looked at it as an airline pilot. And first thing, okay, so what we have here is the artificial horizon. Now, this is the difference between the ground, or what I consider the ground, and the air, but really it's negative numbers and positive numbers, okay? But in a sense too, that isn't true also, because it's based on a 360-degree scale. So you see here is 0. Here is 30 degrees, 30 degrees. I took that to mean 30 degrees pitch up, but it's not. So you have 60 degrees up here. You come back around to the bottom here, you have 300, 330, 300, and 0, which is 360 degrees. So what it's telling you here is your relationship in a 360-degree turn. It doesn't have to do with your relationship to the horizon. This is just 0. And then we also have the belly band right here. Now, this is the center for what most people would think of as pitch, but it's not pitch. It's moving either way. Again, going to the right here, you'll see, this is yaw. So this is considered 365 degrees, or 330 degrees, 30 degrees of yaw. And then we see 60 degrees of yaw as you go to the right. Coming around from the left, you see 300 and 330. That is all based on this belly band here for yaw. And again, this is not pitch. This is the way the airplane is, or the spacecraft is turned. So it's the way your nose is pointed. So on this platform, you'd be on, say, 0 pitch, and now you want to turn the nose of the airplane 30 degrees, and that would be on the compass to the right. And then you wanted to come back to 0, and then you would want to move the nose of the spacecraft 330 degrees to the left. So this isn't, like I said, in an aircraft, this would be 30 degrees either side, and this would be 30 degrees up and down. But here we only have pitch and we have yaw. Okay? And now it's now we're going to go a little bit deeper for our Patreon subscribers, and we are going to go into the schematics. Now this is for our free and paying subscribers. So what are you waiting for? It's free to go into to see how this ball is moved. Okay, so when you're a subscriber to my Patreon page and you click on schematics,